How to make this effect in Capcut. First, add the background in the timeline just like this. To get the assets for this tutorial, just go to my Instagram and click the link in my bio and find all-in-one assets. Now click it and here find video editing tutorial. Now here, click tutorial 3 to download all the editing assets that you will need for this tutorial. For the next step, let's add the first character asset in the timeline. And then let's adjust its size and position in the screen just like this. Okay, now let's add the second character asset in the timeline. And move the time ruler to the 23 frame of 3 seconds. And adjust the size and position of the second character asset in the screen just like this. Okay, now, adjust the duration of the second character and alignment to the time ruler. Now move the time ruler to the 26th frame of 1 second. And add the third character asset in the timeline. Okay, now adjust the size and position of the third character in the screen just like this. And adjust its duration in alignment to the time ruler. For the next step, go to the effects and in search bar type rebound swing and drag it to our character assets. Now here adjust its settings to your own preference. For this demonstration, I set the value of size and speed to 12, but you can experiment on any value you want to apply. This rebound swing effect allows you to make small movements to our character assets, making it more alive. For the next step, click the third character assets and go to animation and in out animation. Select fade out. And then apply the same fade out animation to our second character asset. Okay, now here. Notice that I added 3 text fonts for our character asset. The in animation I used for this text is random rise. And for out animation I used fade out. And this is what it looks like. Okay, now let's highlight all the assets and make it as a compound clip. Now move the time ruler to the starting part and then add some keyframe. And then move the time ruler again to the 26th frame of 0 second and scale up to zoom the screen. And then position the third character asset to the center of the screen, just like this. Okay, now move again the time ruler to the 26th frame of 1 second and scale up again the screen, then put the second character to the center, just like this. You can also add some rotation for extra camera movement. Now move the time ruler to the 23 frame of 3 seconds. And position the center of the screen into our first character asset. For the last step, click the compound clip and press Alt+K to show keyframe animation settings. Now click every keyframes and apply quad ease to each one. This will smoothen the movement of the screen. Once you're done, go to video and then scroll down and then check enhance image. This will improve the resolution of your video. Okay, now let's see what it looks like. And voila!